What is a fender bender accident? A fender bender can seem minor, but it can still create real headaches with injuries, repairs, and insurance. A fender bender accident is a minor collision between vehicles that typically causes superficial damage like dents, scratches, or minor bumper damage. These incidents usually happen at low speeds in traffic jams, parking lots, or at stop signs. Even when the crash looks small, it can lead to unexpected complications, including legal and financial issues. In New York, fender benders are common when vehicles are close together, and the consequences may go beyond what you can see right away. One major cause is distracted driving, such as using a phone, adjusting the radio, or eating while driving. Parking lots are also frequent sites for low-speed impacts and cosmetic vehicle damage because of tight spaces and constant vehicle movement. Failure to yield at intersections and roundabouts can also trigger a quick collision when a driver misjudges traffic. Weather like fog, rain, or snow can impair visibility and perception, increasing the risk of bumps and scrapes. Compared to serious crashes, fender benders usually leave vehicles drivable and claims more straightforward under New York's no-fault system. More serious accidents can involve severe injuries, major vehicle damage, long-term financial strain, and possible personal injury lawsuits when losses exceed no-fault limits. Common property damage in a fender bender includes scratches and dents to the body, especially around the bumper and fender areas. Bumpers may crack, dent, or even become dislodged because they often take the impact. Headlights and taillights can crack or break even in low-speed collisions. A minor impact can also cause alignment issues that lead to uneven tire wear and handling problems that are not immediately obvious. Fender benders can still cause injuries that appear later, including whiplash, neck pain, stiffness, headaches, and numbness or tingling. Because symptoms can develop after the shock wears off, it is important to seek a medical evaluation after any collision, even if it seems minor. After a fender bender, New York drivers should check for injuries, secure the scene, call the police, exchange information, document the scene with photos, and notify their insurance company. New York law requires reporting accidents involving injury or property damage over $1,000, and an MV-104 report may be required within 10 days when there are injuries or significant damage. Police typically interview drivers, passengers, and witnesses and prepare a report that can be important for insurance claims and disputes about fault. New York's no-fault insurance system generally requires you to file injury claims through your own insurance through PIP coverage, regardless of fault. PIP can cover medical bills and lost earnings up to policy limits, but it generally does not cover non-monetary losses like pain and suffering. Insurers may review documentation like police reports, take statements, inspect vehicles, and evaluate photos or surveillance footage when available. Defensive driving, avoiding distractions, and maintaining a safe following distance like the 3-second rule can help prevent fender benders in New York traffic. In rain, snow, or fog, reducing speed, increasing distance, and using headlights can reduce risk when visibility and traction are worse. If you are dealing with a fender bender in Queens, a Queens car accident lawyer can help you understand options related to reports, claims, and compensation. A car accident attorney can also help protect your rights when an insurer disputes what happened or what your damages are worth. This law firm notes that legal support can help with issues ranging from insurance claims to injuries that show up later. L Sanchez Law Office, PC describes offering tailored legal services, including negotiating with insurance companies and representing clients in legal proceedings when needed. If you need to speak with a lawyer or an attorney about a fender bender situation in Queens, consider reaching out for guidance based on your specific facts. L Sanchez Law Office, PC is located at 3706 82nd Street, Suite 304, Jackson Heights, New York, 11372, and can be reached at 646-701-7990.